Hello everyone, my name is Greg Sullivan and welcome to part 10 of this tutorial series in which we're creating the Apple Fitness Plus interface using React and Advanced CSS. Part 10 already. We have done so much great work. This is a quick one. We're just going to set up all the states for everything in our JSON file so that we're prepared to react to anything the JSON file might throw at us as we move through our project. Let's get into it. Remember earlier we set up the interface for the metadata, so we know all the things that can happen therein. We can show the info box, we've already dealt with that, show the timer, set the timer, flash the timer. Actually, we're not going to flash the timer. We're going to do that dynamically. I've decided to change my mind. So we're going to know whether or not the timer is running. We'll show intensity. We'll have the intensity message, heart rate, calories, and burn bar. So let's put the rest of those setters in place. I'm just going to copy and paste them. And line them up. So these on the left, each correspond to one of the commands that you're going to find in the metadata, and everything on the right corresponds to one of our state setters up here. So the next thing we want to do is put each of these to work. One of these is so easy that if we're being lazy, we can do it without even creating a component. So it's calories. Calories, instead of saying this 106, we're just going to put in the curly brackets. And now calories is going to automatically update as the video runs. The rest of these pieces of information need to be turned into their own components. So let's get started doing that. All right, great work. It might not seem like we've done very terribly much in this part, but we have actually empowered ourselves to get from here to the finished project prepared to deal with everything that the JSON file can throw at us. So that's really great and very important moving forward. So you know what? I've gone 11 parts in this series without saying like or subscribe once, because I kind of think that's obnoxious, but everyone else does it. Am I supposed to be doing it? Like or subscribe. Anyway, in the next part, we're going to be setting up the interval timer and animating a clock with a really nice little bit of snappy animation in CSS. That's going to be fun. So we'll see you there. As usual, leave your questions in the comments and your better techniques as well, because I'd like to learn from you as much as I'd like to share the things I've learned along the way. So see you next time.